Hi everyone, it is November 14th and it's around 1 p.m. Eastern time. So let's see where are we at today on the markets. The SPX had a really really nice day. We opened with a huge gap. Where are we right now? Oh, it's almost 4 and 500. That's a lot. And that looks good. Our volatility is also going down a little. Well, it's the same place where it was the day before on Friday. So yes, nothing interesting here. What's with our Nasdaq? Nasdaq is also looking good. Everything is due to pullback. Russell is also nice. And yeah. So, and the funny thing is it's not even overbought yet. So let's see what do we have today. Probably we will start again with ETFs. EEM. Again, puts and long straddle. What do we have with EEM? Nope. EEM. Emerging markets. Also really good. Okay. Probably with emerging markets I would buy probably more debit vertical calls maybe, or maybe credit puts, but no, these strategies will not work for us here. Russell, IWM here, debit vertical put. Where's Russell? Russell, here it is. Debit vertical put. I think we already have something like this on Qs, right? Yeah, we have IWM strangle and Qs bear put, where we are losing money. And IWM is also loses a little money. So nothing interesting. Debit vertical put. I would not. Well, basically I would do it, but since I already have one, doesn't make any sense. Long call, no, definitely no. And strangle straddles, we already have them. QQQ. Put, we already have it, so nothing new here at all. SPY, same thing. And as for all the strategies, we don't have any short. Yeah, I would probably go with some iron condors. And interesting, we still never had any short strangles or straddles, which I wouldn't. Yeah, probably not the best environment right now for iron condor, probably, but we do have one on Mongo, I think. So let's see, credit vertical call. Again, just Mongo, SCG, same as yesterday, nothing interesting. Tesla, what do we have on Tesla? No. Well, technically we could, but around 100. And where are we right now? We are at what? Sorry. 260. Well, it's probably possible. Let's see, what is it? 160 is here. So we probably will not be able to get there very soon, so that could be a good idea, but no. Actually, let me think. Yes, this one might be good. It's not, the spread is small, so for the public trade, it is pretty safe. Its profit is small, potential loss is pretty big, unfortunately, but we don't have any margin to return. Is 23, is kind of all right. So I don't know, I probably would keep it in mind. Nothing more interesting. Yeah, nothing more interesting. On Mongo we already have something. SCDG, we could do something with SCDG probably. Let's see if they have margin to return. Yes, this one is nice. This one is not nice. Yeah, probably we could go with this one. SCDG does nothing. Oh yeah, they started to go up. Okay, let's see what do we have else. Credit vertical put. W, where are we today? Wayfair. Yeah, going nowhere. All days since October 25 we're going nowhere, even earlier. So because I expect some kind of a pullback on the overall market, I wouldn't go with a credit vertical put here. Debit vertical puts overall, A and D. Well, let's see. We have too many long strategies right now, so spending money on more, I wouldn't do it. But if we have something like extremely cheap, what do we have here? Like 0.30. Walmart 0.16. No, definitely no. Yeah. Costco, what is this? 0.20. Debit 85. Well, let's see again with graphs. Do we still have time? Walmart. Let's see Walmart. Is it good for a pullback? Yes, it is. And we have earnings soon. How do we behave with earnings? Well, I had a huge run up and then down. Really? Earnings Thursday. Very interesting. Costco. What do we have with Costco? If the graph is the same and we don't have any earnings, then it is very good. Graph is the same and we do have some kind of earnings soon. Not very interesting. Microsoft. Same graph. And I think we could try it. Microsoft and all that stuff, like Apple, they were pulling the whole SPX up the whole year, so they probably need some kind of rest. If there would be something cheap like this, $78, so $78 loss and $42 422 profit, it's very good. Yep. Let's keep in mind this Microsoft trade, debit vertical put. Anything else? No, no butterfly, no short naked call, no. Well, probably this is it. Well, let's see AMD because it's on top. It's probably the application thinks it's the best one. Oh, they had such a nice graph. They already had earnings, so we could try. I think on the next market pullback they should go down a little. So AMD or Microsoft? Well, because this is a gamble, let's go with a Microsoft. I don't want to think much. I'm kind of tired today. So yeah, $78 to lose or 422 to earn. That looks like a very nice ratio. Lower break even, 349. Where is the Microsoft? Let's see the graph and all the stats here. We are at 370 and we need to be at 350. Can we do it? 350 is here. That will not be easy, but I think we can, and I don't want to keep it until the expiration, so hopefully we will profit on it in the coming days, so not a problem. Expected price range 325 for 13, not the problem. Probability of price moving to winning strike 60, and we will check MD right now. Probability of profit, it's based on Greeks. Okay, let's see the AMD just to compare the probability of price moving to winning strike. Wow, that is very, very low. So yes, this is our trade for today. Debit vertical put on Microsoft December 29 with strikes at 345 and 350. So this is it for today. I will add it to a public trade spreadsheet and see you tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye.